Imagine this. You're 30 years old staring at your bank account and wondering, where did all my money go? It's not just you. This is the reality for millions of people who made the same costly mistakes in their 20s. Now, here's the good news. You're here, which means you have time to avoid them, but only if you act fast. Because every year that passes, that's money you'll never get back. So, before you become a financial cautionary tale, let's dive into the 5 biggest money mistakes that could ruin your future. Mistake number 1 is something you might already be doing, without even realizing it. This is the cycle that keeps you trapped. You earn money, you spend it, and then you wait desperately for your next paycheck. Rinse. Repeat. The problem? One unexpected expense and you're drowning in debt. And here's the scary part. 78% of Americans live this way. Are you one of them? If so, it's time to break free. Start budgeting. Automate savings. Build an emergency fund. Because the next mistake, it's even worse. And most people don't realize they're making it. What's your credit score? If you don't know, that's a problem. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. A bad score can cost you higher interest rates, rejected loans, and even lost job opportunities. Yep, some employers check your credit history. The fix? Pay your bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and never miss payments. Because once your credit score crashes, rebuilding it is like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. But what if I told you there's an even bigger mistake? One that can haunt you for decades. Here's the brutal truth. Every year you don't invest, you're losing money. Let me show you something shocking. If you invest just $200 a month at age 20, you could have over $1 million by retirement. But if you wait until 30, that drops to $450,000. Why? Compounding. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. And speaking of losing money, this next mistake is the fastest way to destroy your future. Not all debt is bad. A mortgage, an investment, a student loan may be worth it, but credit card debt, car loans for luxury vehicles, that's a financial trap. Did you know the average credit card interest rate is over 20%? That means if you only make minimum payments, you could be paying for years. If you're in debt, attack it aggressively. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. Every dollar wasted on interest is a dollar stolen from your future. And finally, let's talk about the worst mistake of all, the one that separates the rich from the broke. Relying on one source of income is like standing on a one-legged stool. If that leg breaks, you fall hard. The wealthy understand this. They build multiple income streams. Side hustles, investments, passive income. The question is, what's stopping you? Because in today's world, not having extra income is a risk. Jobs are uncertain. The economy shifts. But if you build multiple streams, you create financial freedom. And now you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but where do I even start? Well, let me introduce you to the most powerful wealth-building tool of all time. There's one secret that separates those who struggle from those who build massive wealth. It's called compounding, and if you don't understand it, you're already falling behind. Click the video on your screen right now to discover how compounding can turn small investments into a fortune. Don't wait. Your future depends on it. I'll see you there. Let's build your WealthSphere.